Hi, welcome to Recurring Membership app on Shopify. Today I will explain you how you can create plans and easily set up app on your store. So once you are in the app dashboard, you can see all the details and navigation here where you can reach every step easily. So to create a plan, first go to plans on the sidebar. You will see all the plans created, active member, total earned, and signups today. Here you can see two buttons: add free plan and add paid plan. So just click on add paid plan to create a plan to capture amount from members. So here you will see an option to create recurring plan or one time plan. So recurring plan is something you will charge customers on a monthly or yearly basis for the services you are providing. So first give it a name, basic plan. You can give it any name you want. You can add a tag to all the members who subscribe to the plan. So add a tag which you want to find the members or customers who subscribe to basic plan. So I give it a name basic. You can define the interval, so I will say it 1 month. You can have expiration date if you want, like if you want to collect for 12 month only, you can write it 12. So after 12 months this plan will be expired for every customer, so you will charge 12 recurring payments monthly for a customer. Then you can select your currency. You can give it the amount, like how much you want to charge. So I say 20.99. You can also give a free trial to the members, like if you want members, like if you want to charge members after 7 days, give it a trial of 7 days. So card will be captured the day they sign up for the plan, but we will charge the card after 7 days. Okay, so once this is done, you can click on next. Here you can create a form with a drag and drop editor. So you can drag the field, any text field. You can edit it from here. Give it a label. So I will say phone number and I will close it. So this is a field you can add which will be saved in the form. Okay, so you can create as big form as you want to capture the details of the customer from here. So once this is done, hit next. Now you can do the email settings, like what emails to be sent. So we have like a transaction failed email, membership cancelled email, a new member registration, admin email notifications, email renewal notifications, admin email on unsubscribed memberships. So you can click on edit here to edit the messages. You can edit anything. We have this short codes which will be dynamically sent in the emails, so you can use the same short codes like hi first name, and you can update the email editor, save the subject, and update the form. So once this is updated, you can also enable or disable this emails as per your requirement. So once this is done, click on plan settings where you can update your form, submit button colors, your thank you page message, or if you want to redirect after submission on any specific page, you can update it. Then you can have a membership button on product page or on your membership page. So you can give it a text of the button like subscribe to membership. You can give a button color, button text, font size and all. You can also have a setting to create customer after you approve. So once the members sign up, you can also enable this setting, like until you approve they cannot be the member of the store, so they cannot log in actually. so they can subscribe, they can pay you, but they cannot get the benefits until you approve the customer. So you can keep it disabled if you do not need it. If you're using MailChimp account, you want to connect or send these details to MailChimp, you can enable it and you can use the API keys and send to your MailChimp list. That you can do. Once this is done, click next. Then you can have a restricted access. If you want to create a rule for members to show or hide any specific page, collection, add to cart button, prices or block, just show or hide for members very easily from here. Just you can select a page and a page names or a product or collection, you can show hide the pages. Okay, so if you do not want, just skip. You will go move to next members order, where you can place the orders automatically for these members whenever they renew their memberships. So for example, we take a 1 month membership plan, it will be renew every month. So on every renewal you can select the products from here, just enable it. You can add products, just add the product IDs here. So once you add the product ID, you can set it recurring. So on every renewal, these two products or these variants where you add the IDs will will be available in the order. So it will be placed automatically for free for those members on recurring basis. Okay, if you do not want this feature, make it disabled, hit next. Here you can give member discount on specific collection or product in the store. So you can select any of the collections, like for example I will take baby and maternity collection. You can select multiples like overlays. You can define how much percentage or dollar discount you want to avail, so I say like 5%. So this member, when they log in, they will get 5% discount automatically on checkout when they select any of these products from the collections. If you do not want this feature, just deactivate it and save it. So once you save, this tag is already existing, so I will say basic 123 and I will hit next, 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 and I will save it. So like once you save it, your form is all ready. Just you need to use this button code if you want to add a button on the page. If you want to create a form, use this form shortcode, copy it and paste on the page. If you want a source code like a complete HTML code of the form, just copy this and paste on the page wherever you want the membership to be set up. So this is a quick intro. If you need more help, don't hesitate to contact our support team. They will give you free setup of all these features as per your requirement on your Shopify store. Thank you.